Sue Austin Underwater Wheelchair, created by Sue Austin, is an innovative work of art and technology that questions how people see people with disabilities. Artist and wheelchair user Austin rethought her mobility device to explore the ocean in a whole new way. The proposal calls for modifying a regular wheelchair with propellers powered by batteries and Perspex aerofoils so that it can maneuver underwater under control. Austin is able to dive and glide with ease thanks to this ingenious technology, which turns her wheelchair into a fluid and free vehicle. As a work of performance art and a symbol of agency, the underwater wheelchair highlights the ways in which adaptive technology may broaden opportunities for individuals with impairments. Amazing underwater performances by Austin encourage spectators to view the wheelchair as a tool for imagination and exploration rather than a constraint. There have been numerous exhibitions and media features of her work. Engler Superquad. The Engler Superquad is a unique and ultra-luxurious quad bike, blending the features of a supercar with the ruggedness of an all-terrain vehicle. This high-performance machine boasts a V10 engine, delivering a staggering 1,100 horsepower, enabling it to reach speeds exceeding 200 miles per hour. The Superquad's design is as breathtaking as its performance, featuring sleek, aerodynamic lines, carbon fiber bodywork, and a premium custom-built interior with leather seats and advanced digital displays. It offers a riding experience unlike any other, combining speed, power, and luxury in one package. In terms of price, the Engler Superquad is positioned in the ultra-exclusive market, reflecting its cutting-edge engineering and bespoke craftsmanship. The cost of owning this extraordinary vehicle is approximately $330,000. This substantial investment is justified by the Superquad's unmatched performance, exquisite design. Sealegs 12RC. A revolutionary amphibious vessel, the Sealegs 12RC is reshaping the large-size amphibious class. It can run on up to two 400-horsepower outboards and has a total length of 12 meters. The 12RC has a payload capacity that is 3 times greater than that of conventional offerings. Massive tires measuring 940 millimeters in diameter and 500 millimeters in width enhance its 7,500 kilograms gross weight. Electric sunroofs on both sides, sliding windows at the back of the cabin, and a variety of layout choices, including a kitchen, up to 4 beds, a bathroom, and business seating, are all standard features of this vessel. It has superior drive-by-wire throttle controls, an electric steering system that works in tandem with them, and docking and positioning capabilities via the Helmmaster joystick. Among amphibious vessels, the Sealegs 12RC stands head and shoulders above the competition in terms of independence, comfort, and elegance. Airtrick e-skates. Electric roller skates like the Airtrick e-skates are a new way for city dwellers and adrenaline seekers to go around town. Sleek and lightweight, these skates are a breeze to transport anywhere you go. Their strong brushless motors allow them to reach speeds of up to 15 miles per hour while providing a silky, carefree ride. Riders of various abilities may enjoy a safe and fun ride because to the intuitive remote control, which makes acceleration, deceleration, and braking a breeze. With their sturdy aluminum frame and shock-absorbing wheels, Airtrick e-skates offer exceptional stability and comfort on a variety of terrains. Users can enjoy an impressive range of up to 10 kilometers on a single charge thanks to the rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Skates with built-in LED lights make nighttime skating more visible and safer. Airtrick e-skates are changing the game when it comes to personal mobility with their innovative features and intuitive design. Monotrack bike. A one-of-a-kind single-track vehicle that combines unicycle and motorbike design elements is the Monotrack bike. You may ride it at different speeds with complete control and comfort because to its one sturdy wheel and its innovative gyroscopic stability system. An exciting and practical choice for city commuting and leisure riding, this bike is built to provide an enjoyable ride. Its small size and low weight make it easy to steer, making it perfect for negotiating congested urban streets and short hallways. Electric motors on Monotrack bikes are common, and they make for a quiet, environmentally responsible ride. Most models also have rechargeable batteries, so you can cover a lot of ground on a single charge. The incorporation of safety elements like LED illumination, quick braking systems, and easy balancing controls demonstrates a strong commitment to prioritizing safety. Trampa Carveboard range. Electric skateboards with exceptional performance are available in the Trampa Carveboard range, which is tailored to carving fans. These boards are ideal for quick cuts and nimble maneuvers, thanks to Trampa's trademark 35 degrees carved deck, which gives great control and responsiveness. For effortless acceleration and braking, they come equipped with powerful motors, powerful battery systems, and cutting-edge ESCs. A wide range of configurations are available for the Carveboards, so they can accommodate riders with varying tastes and styles. A variety of wheel sizes, engine types, and battery capacities are available for riders to personalize their experience. The use of high-quality materials, such as carbon fiber and reinforced composites, gives these boards their reputation for long-term durability. The Trampa Carveboard range can cost anywhere from $1,500 for a basic model to $3,000 or more for a fully loaded one. Eisenter e-scooter. The Eisenter e-scooter offers a sleek and efficient ride, perfect for urban commuting and casual travel. Priced at around $500, it balances affordability with high-end features. The scooter is powered by a robust 350-watt motor, reaching speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour and handling inclines up to 20 degrees effortlessly. Its 36-volt, 10.4 amp-hour lithium battery provides a range of up to 18.6 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for daily commutes. Designed for convenience, the Eisenter e-scooter features a lightweight aluminum frame, weighing just 28 pounds, and a foldable design for easy storage and portability. Safety is prioritized with its dual braking system, combining a rear disc brake and front EBS regenerative anti-lock braking. The scooter also includes a bright LED headlight and rear taillight for enhanced visibility during night rides. Stewart Cove's Sub Bahamas. Stewart Cove's Sub Bahamas offers an underwater scooter experience called the Sub, Scenic Underwater Bubble. This adventure allows participants to explore the marine life of Nassau, Bahamas, from a unique perspective. The Subby, a personal mini-submarine, provides a comfortable, air-filled bubble that lets you breathe normally while submerged. Guided by professional divers, you'll navigate through the crystal-clear waters, encountering vibrant coral reefs and diverse marine species. The tour includes a briefing, safety instructions, and about 30 minutes of underwater exploration. The adventure is suitable for non-divers, swimmers, and non-swimmers alike, making it an accessible and exciting option for all visitors. The entire experience lasts approximately 3 hours, with round-trip transportation provided from your hotel or cruise ship terminal. As of 2024, the price for the Suba Bahamas experience is $135 per person. Rezvani Vengeance Military Edition. Superior safety and performance are hallmarks of the Rezvani Vengeance Military Edition, an opulent and sturdy SUV. At around $285,000, this vehicle is equipped with a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that generates 707 horsepower. The exterior is fortified with bulletproof armor, ballistic glass, and reinforced body panels, which are of military standard and offer superior protection. The Vengeance is ready for anything with its electrified door handles, thermal night vision system, smokescreen, and bomb protection. Thanks to its upgraded suspension and run-flat tires, it can handle off-road terrains beautifully. With its plush leather upholstery, state-of-the-art entertainment system, and roomy interior, this vehicle is the epitome of luxury. A 360-degree video system, adaptive cruise control, and lane departure warning are just a few of the driver assist technologies included in this technologically advanced vehicle. Schiller Waterbike. The Schiller Waterbike is a unique recreational watercraft that combines the thrill of cycling with the tranquility of being on water. Designed for adventurers and fitness enthusiasts alike, it features a sleek, lightweight aluminum frame that floats on twin pontoons, ensuring stability and ease of maneuverability. The bike is propelled by pedaling, which drives a proprietary gear system connected to a pair of 24-inch inflatable rubber tires, allowing riders to cruise effortlessly across lakes, rivers, and calm coastal waters. Equipped with a comfortable, adjustable saddle and handlebars, the Schiller water bike offers a smooth riding experience suitable for all skill levels. Priced around $6,000 to $8,000 depending on specifications and accessories, the Schiller water bike represents a premium investment in recreational water sports, blending innovation with functionality for enthusiasts worldwide. KingSong S18. Whether you're cruising about town or cruising off-road, the KingSong S18 electric unicycle is up to the task. It can go up to 50 km per hour thanks to its strong 2,200-watt motor. Depending on the rider's weight and riding conditions, the 1,110 watt-hours battery offers a substantial range of up to 100 kilometers on a single charge. With its state-of-the-art suspension technology, the KingSong S18 provides a plush ride quality regardless of the terrain. Its stability and maneuverability are further improved by the 18-inch tire. In addition to front and back lighting, the unicycle has a screen that shows your speed and battery life, and it can be connected to your smartphone through Bluetooth so you can update the firmware and personalize it using the KingSong app. The current market price of the KingSong S18 is approximately $2,300, which is a reflection of its high-end construction and sophisticated features that appeal to both casual and expert riders. Meepo electric skateboard. Ideal for leisure and commuting use, the Meepo electric skateboard is a high-performance electric longboard. Robust features and a sturdy construction make it an excellent buy for the price, around $469. When it comes to budget boards, the Meepo is among the fastest thanks to its 28 miles per hour top speed and dual hub motors. Most city commutes won't be a problem with its 11-mile range on a single charge. A strong and pliable deck makes for a comfortable ride on any surface, no matter how bumpy. In addition to a powerful stopping force, its regenerative braking technology aids in prolonging the life of the battery. With its wireless remote control, the Meepo electric skateboard provides precise control over acceleration and braking. At only about 17 pounds, it's incredibly portable and easy to use. All things considered, the Meepo electric skateboard is a fantastic pick for riders looking for a cheap, fast, and long-range board. Leaperkim Veteran Patton. Designed to provide riders with the most comprehensive one-wheel all-terrain experience possible, the Leaperkim Veteran Patton is an electric unicycle that boasts exceptional performance. Both a 2,220 watt-hours battery pack and a 3,000-watt high-torque motor with a peak power output of 7 kilowatts are responsible for its operation. The Patton is capable of reaching a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour and can readily cross steep slopes. There is a choice between a knobby or street tire, and it comes with a suspension shock system that can be adjusted and has a travel of up to 80 millimeters. The construction work is of a high quality, and the chassis is made of heavy-duty aluminum of aviation grade. Its enormous torque and its capacity to overcome steep inclines have earned the Patton a well-deserved reputation. As the first 126 volts, 16 inches electric unicycle in the world, it is among the most powerful electric unicycles now available on the market. SkyRunner MK 3.2. A high-performance ATV built for both on- and off-road adventures, the SkyRunner MK 3.2 can take you just about anywhere. It is a lightweight off-road buggy with powered parachute capabilities, engineered with state-of-the-art technology. Equipped with a 115 horsepower Rotax 914 UL engine, an innovative suspension system, and a sturdy tubular steel frame, this vehicle is ready to take on any terrain. It takes only a few minutes to go from driving to flying in flight mode because to its unique wing system. A pair of passengers can sit comfortably in the cockpit, which is furnished with state-of-the-art avionics and features an easy-to-use navigation system. Having 2 sets of flying controls and a ballistic parachute system ensures everyone's safety. when it comes to business operators, first responders, and adventure seekers. A substantial investment in innovation and mobility, priced at around $139,000.